Hello dear students, welcome to Chartered Coaching Classes. We are learning your mathematics chapter, that is sets. In previous video, I have given you the solution of all the practice set. Okay, if you have any problem regarding that, you can contact me. Otherwise, I want to tell you something. If you really want the solved examples like solution of the practice set questions, then please write down with me. You can see the solved examples or examples I am solving on your screen. Otherwise, take the screenshot and copy down that example so that you will not have any problem regarding that practice set examples. You can clearly understand the step of that particular sum. Today we will start operations on sets. Don't remind that surgical operations or etc. Okay? Operations on set means there are particular things or there are particular small elements in sets, they named as operations on set. Okay, intersection of two sets is the first point of operations on set. See, intersection means what? Intersection means there is common in between something called as intersection. Suppose A and B are two sets. Okay, there are two sets, set A and set B. The set of all common elements of set A and B is called intersection of A and B. The set which contains all the common elements between set A and set B is called as intersection of A and B. It is denoted like this: A intersection B. This is the sign of intersection. Okay, please keep in mind, this is the sign of intersection. Please don't get confused. This is the sign of subset. Okay, suppose we write A dash. This is the complement set of A, and now this is the sign of intersection. Okay, please don't have any type of confusion in between this. And how we write it? A intersection B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A, right? And X belongs to B, because A intersection B is the set of common elements in between set A and set B. We will see one example that you can understand more effectively. See, you can see on board there are two sets, set A and set B. Set B consists elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and set B consists elements 2, 3, 6 set. We have to find A intersection B. A intersection B is what? The common elements in between set A and set B. Then 3 is the common element between set A and set B. So we will write A intersection B is equal to 3, because 3 is the common element in between A and B. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 3. We will draw the Venn diagram for this. Keep in mind, while drawing Venn diagram, must use the closed figures. We will write set A and set B. 3 is the common element, and the remaining elements from set A are 1, 5 and 7 in set B, 2, 6 and 8, while this is the common element, common area called as A intersection B. Got it? Okay, intersection of two sets is what? Suppose A and B are two sets. You can see set A and set B are two sets. Then the common elements in between two sets are called the intersection of set. Then what are the common elements? There is only one element who is common, that is 3. Okay, 3 is the common element in between set A and set B. So A intersection B, this is the sign of intersection. Okay, A intersection B is equal to 3. So according to, by using Venn diagram, we have represented set A, set B and A intersection B. See, set A, set B and A intersection B. 3 is the common element in between set A and B. So we have shown this as common, and in set A remaining elements are 1, 5, 7, and in set B remaining elements are 2, 6 and 8, which we have shown. And this the common portion, the common element is A intersection B. This is called as intersection of two sets. We have seen one example for that. We will see one another example so that you can get clear in your mind. See the another example of intersection of two sets. On board you can see two sets. First set A is of elements 1, 3, 9, 11 and 13. And second set B consists elements 1, 9 and 11. What is A intersection B? A intersection B is the set of elements which are common in between set A and set B. You can see which are the common elements between A and B. These are the ones, 1, 9, 11. Okay, 1, 9, 11. These three elements are common in between two sets, that is set A and set B. We will write A intersection B as the common elements in between set A and B. They are 1, 9 and 11. This is A intersection B. Now, if we have to represent this by using Venn diagram, how we will see? Suppose this is the set A and this is set B. And this is A intersection B. Here you can see set B and A intersection B is the same, that is you can say A intersection B is equal to B. Okay, because you can see the elements in set B and set A intersection B are same. Set B consists element 1, 9 and consists elements 1, 9 and 11, whereas set A intersection B consists element 1, 9 and 11. In both the sets elements are same, therefore we can write A intersection B is equal to B. Okay, now we are going to see some properties of intersection of two sets. If you want this example or information regarding intersection of two sets, you can take the screenshot. See the properties of intersection of two sets. There are all 7 properties of intersection of two sets. First is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Okay, if we are saying A intersection B means there is the A intersection B is the set of common elements in between set A and B. So you can say there are common elements in set B, in between set B and A. Both the statements are same. Therefore, this is the first property of intersection of two sets. Second is if A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. Next one, if A intersection B is equal to B, then B will be the subset of A. After that, A intersection B, if A intersection B, then A intersection B is the subset of A, and if A intersection B is a subset of B. Okay, if we have seen in previous example, there is B is also A intersection B is subset of B. Like that, if there is a set which is the same, like you will get the set A and set B. This can happen in some cases. So this is a property that A intersection B is a subset of A, or in case A intersection B is a subset of B. Next, see A intersection A dash is 5. Okay, phi is the empty set or the set containing no any single element in the set, called as empty set and denoted by phi. So A intersection A dash is equal to phi. A dash, phi or A dash are the elements which are not present in set A but in the universal set. Therefore, there can't be a common element in between A and A dash. Therefore, A intersection A dash is equal to phi. After that, A intersection A is equal to A. Okay, if we are taking the common elements in between the same sets, then A intersection A is equal to A. And the last one, A intersection phi is equal to phi. Okay, phi is the empty set. Then A intersection of empty set, there will be no single common element, because in empty set there is no single element in that set. Therefore, A intersection phi is equal to phi. Phi is represented as empty set. Okay, this is the symbol. Phi is the symbol of empty set. That's how today we have learned the intersection of two sets and properties of intersection of two sets. I hope you understand it. Thank you. We will see the next part in your next video.